Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. So the today's task is written lecture scoring criteria. Why I had choose this topic? Because there is some misunderstanding and misinterpretation between students after November 16th. There is a myth between a scoring criteria in between your written lecture and describe image. So today we are going to reveal the reveal the main thing, what the changes are. There is no changes in scoring criteria, but there is some changes required. As we had made on written lecture very simple and easy video, like 3-line sentence to close the written lecture. Now what we are going to do is we have changed the template 5-line sentence. Why? Because it requires a content. There is a change in your content part, so you have to add 2 more contents. For example, you were getting written lecture on environment. So what kind of keyword you will pick? Pollution, water, e-waste, traffic, plants, nature. So what we were doing was the lecture was about environment. Don't note my spellings. I'm just typing it very quickly. I'm not focusing on my spellings. And the speaker was talking about pollution. He also described about water. He mentioned, now what we are going to do is add 2 more lines. He mentioned about e-waste. At the end, he described about traffic. Okay, now we are going to do a written lecture by adding 5-line sentence. Why we are going to add 5-line sentence is actually there is changes between your scoring on content side. Why? Because the PT academic has reduced the task quantity and timing, so they adjusted all the things in our content side, so we have to add 2 to 5 contents not more than 5. Why? Because if we speak more than 5 sentence, we speak more than 5 sentence, then what we are going to do, we are going to make mistakes in our pronunciation as well as an oral fluency. So don't try to add more contents or don't try to be very lengthy. Reduce length. Okay. So with 5 lines you can create a good pronunciation, good oral fluency and good content requirement. Okay, just like 5 5 5. So what if you are getting good pronunciation 5 and fluency 5, then what we have to do is, for content, to get 5 you have to add more and more contents with the conclusion, but with our template now you are going to get 4 to 5 if you have a good pronunciation and good fluency. So everything is interconnected. Okay, so don't worry about scoring criteria in your retail lecture as well as in a describe image. For describe image we also added 2 more lines same as retail lecture. Like the image shows it was maximum and it was minimum in at the end the the image is very informative. Okay, there is 4 lines, but we can add one more line to conclude this image. Okay, similarly we can reduce the length of the task. Why? Because if we want to get 555 in your pronunciation, oral fluency and content, then we have to be very limited. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more updates.